How to fix Apple ID cannot be created at this time issue. Let's get started. For that, first of all, make sure your internet connection is fast and stable. If you're on Wi-Fi and it's slow, you can switch to mobile data, and if you're on mobile data, you can try switching to Wi-Fi. A slow connection can cause issues when creating your Apple ID. Next, if you're using a VPN, it could be causing the issue. So open up Settings, tap on General, scroll below, tap on VPN and Device Management, and you can try disconnecting the VPN if it's connected. After that, try creating your Apple ID again once you're not connected to VPN. Now check for any software updates. Inside General, tap on Software Update, and then if you found any update available, install it, as a new software version can fix bugs that might be preventing you from creating your Apple ID. Now inside here, scroll below again, tap on Date and Time, and make sure the Set Automatically option is turned on. This will sync your iPhone to the correct time and date, which can help with account creation process. Now, if the issue still persists, you can try resetting your settings. Tap on General, scroll below, tap on Reset and Transfer iPhone, tap on Reset and then select Reset All Settings. This will reset system settings like Wi-Fi and wallpaper, but it will not delete your apps or data. After resetting the settings, you need to head back to your home screen, open up your browser. In the search bar, simply search for appleid.apple.com and then try creating your Apple ID again. And that's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.